In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change sheet names in Smartsheet. When you open Smartsheet and look at the top of your workspace, you will notice that your sheet has a name. Sometimes it may be something generic, like Untitled Sheet, especially if you just created it. Changing the sheet name is a simple way to keep your workspace organized, and it helps you and your team quickly understand what each sheet is for. To begin, click Untitled Sheet at the top left of the canvas. Take a moment to find that exact area. It is usually positioned in the upper left region of your sheet view, and the current sheet name will appear there. Once you click it, you should see the name become editable. If the text does not change right away, try clicking directly on the sheet title again. The goal of this step is to put the sheet name into edit mode so you can replace it with your own wording. Now that the title is ready to edit, you will want to type your new sheet name. Start by thinking about what will make the sheet easy to recognize later. For example, you might use something that describes the project, the department, or the time period. Then simply type the new name into the field. As you type, make sure the spelling and capitalization are correct, because the sheet name is what people will see when they scan through their Smartsheet workspace. After you have typed the new sheet name, the next step is to confirm it. Press Enter on your keyboard. This is an important action because it saves your change and tells Smartsheet that you are finished editing the title. When you press Enter, you should see the updated sheet name appear in the top left area. If the name does not update immediately, wait a second and then look again at the title area to confirm that your change has been applied. At this point, you have successfully updated the sheet name. This may seem like a small adjustment, but it makes a big difference over time, especially when you have multiple sheets open or multiple people collaborating. A clear sheet name can also help prevent confusion, since it is much easier to identify the right sheet before clicking into it. If you ever need to rename the sheet again, you can simply repeat the same process. You would click the current sheet name in the top left, type the new title you want, and then press Enter to save it. Keeping this habit makes your workspace more consistent and easier to navigate. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.